welcome back to Scrapbooks Made Easy with Beth. Today I'm going to show you a really fun way to make candy corn for your upcoming Halloween photos. All right, I'm going to use the custom cutting system if you are not familiar with that. So I'm going to use the circles, and I'm only going to use the red, even though they do have green and blue as well. All right, so I am going to, the black is going to be used later when I'm going to make a border with this. So I am going to start with the bottom. If you think about how candy corn goes, you've got the orange, the yellow, and the white. So we're going to cut in that order. The first one that we're going to cut is the bottom. It's the bottom of your candy corn. So I'm going to put the yellow up. I'm going to use the medium circle. Move this into the center there. And the red, so if you haven't used the custom cutting system, those two pegs go inside the track and you follow it around. If you don't have the new blades, they're old, but some people have the ones that didn't twist. All right, so I am going to go ahead and circle this around. So I'm going to take that off. Now I need the orange. So I am going to now use this one and go on the outside of this one. I practiced this using the same color. So, all right, so that is now going to be the inside. And then you are going to take your white paper. So we are going to use this one. And do the inside of this one. That looks better. All right, now we are going to put the orange right in the middle of the yellow. And then we're going to take the white and put it in the middle of the orange. All right, so we're done cutting. Now what we're going to do is take our trimmer, and if you've watched my tricks on the trimmer, this is where you can just lay this down, and as long as it's touching the two corners, it's going to cut, oops, I just moved it. It's going to cut in half, and then you're going to, I didn't push hard enough. And now I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to line up this as close as I can on the black line. And then I'm going to do it one more time, but this time I'm going to put my point where I'm cutting right there. And you can see that's off on the sides there. So I'm using this to line it up. I'm also using this black line here, and I'm using that up there. So that's just going to help you keep everything if you want them to be the same size. And now I have some candy corns, so I'm going to go ahead and do that with all of them, because then I'm going to show you a fun little border. So again, just let it fall down in there. Line it up with your black lines. Cut and cut. And one more time. All right, so now you have, whoops. Got to pay attention to where your tape is. You might have to retape some things, which is fine. If you need to do that, that's okay. And then if you want it to be round on the ends, then you can take a pair of scissors and you can just round your edges a little bit to make it look a little more like a candy corn. All right, I'm not going to do it to all of them. You don't need to watch that. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a cute little border out of this. So I am going to take a black piece of paper, and I just want it to be a couple of inches. So I'm going to do, I want this to stick up. So I'm going to do about 1.5 inches on the black, and I am using the straight blade. And now I'm going to use the orange, and I want something decorative with this. So this one is going to be just a tad bigger. So I'm going to use the new twist blade that just came out, and I'm going to swap my blade out. And now since I cut this one, the 1.5 inches, I'm going to go 2 inches on this side. And then I want to do the other side too. So I am going to turn my blade around and go on the end right there. And now I can cut on the other side. You see how now my scallops are going out? So you don't have to move the paper around and figure that out. You just turn that around. All right, so now I'm taking this. Usually I use repositionable, but this is what I had right here. And I'm gonna throw that in the middle. And so you just have a little bit of the orange sticking out. And now you take your candy corns, just put the tape in the middle because it's actually going to stick up. And then you're just gonna line however many you want or however you wanna do it. You're just gonna line your candy corns along your paper. See, again, you might have to put a little bit more tape on them, which is fine. I didn't put a lot to begin with. And you can cut these a little bit smaller if you want to have some a little bit bigger, some a little bit smaller. But you're just going to line your border with candy corns. Fun little border. All right, hope you enjoyed this. Thanks everyone.